Hello and welcome to our tutorial on shift entries. In this video, we'll discuss how to configure entries that users can provide at the start or end of their shift. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to your time clock settings and opening the shift entries section. Here, you can choose whether users should track time for jobs, locations, clients, or any other resource you initially configured. You can customize this even further by managing resources per device. Each device can be configured to offer either flexible or fixed options. Flexible devices let employees choose from a list of jobs you define, while fixed devices automatically assign a job, so no selection is needed. This setup ensures a streamlined clock-in experience. For example, if you have an NFC device in the office, you can assign it only the office job so employees don't see irrelevant options. You can also create shift entries that employees must fill out during their shift or when clocking out. Simply add a field, give it a name. For example, requiring users to confirm they took their break, select its type, and choose an icon. Fields can be optional or required. Available field types include a drop-down list, text box, number, image attachment, file attachment, or signature. Employees can still add notes after clocking out even if you don't include a text field. Common shift entries include mileage, if your team is often on the move. Those entries make reimbursements, expenses, and compliance a whole lot easier. A simple number field works best here. Another useful entry is equipment tracking. Employees can quickly note what gear they use during a shift, which helps you stay on top of inventory, maintenance, and safety. A drop-down list is usually the easiest way to set this up. If your work involves deliveries or services, adding a client signature field can be super helpful. It lets clients sign off right on the spot to confirm they received everything, using the signature field. When employees clock in on the mobile app or kiosk, they'll see the resource options you assigned to their device. At clockout, they'll be prompted to complete the shift entries you created. They can also copy information from a previous shift or clear all entered details. Helpful for repetitive tasks or quick resets. On the admin dashboard, shift entries show up as additional columns on each employee's timesheet. You can choose which entries to display using the drop-down menu within the timesheet. This makes it easy to review and filter the data that matters most. Thanks for joining us. For more information, feel free to check out our Help Center. See you next time.